welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and today I'm going to be doing some bun tutorials, messy bun top knot tutorials. I upload videos every Wednesday and Saturday, so if you are interested, please check in then. Please subscribe and comment and like and whatever else you're supposed to do to be able to see the videos as I post them. Let's get started. The very first bun that I am going to show you is definitely the least reliable. I do it the most, but you never really know how it's going to end up. So let me just show you how you do it. For all of my buns, I flip my hair upside down to be able to get a good grasp on my hair and to get it high enough on my head where I want it. So here we go. You're just going to gather all of the hair on the top of your head and take your hair tie, and I start to pull, and I don't pull it all the way through, and then I just kind of grab and then just keep twisting. So because there is no method to this, it could really look super crazy. So here's what we're left with at the moment. It's fine. If I'm just like staying at my house, I will definitely keep it like this, but I always pull it a little bit to make it kind of loose and more messy. And my hairs are a little bit short back here, and so I will just take a bobby pin and pin them back up. So easiest messy bun, least reliable messy bun. The next bun that I'm going to show you is probably the one that I go to the most if I need my hair to look like kind of nice, but I don't want to take a lot of time to do it, or it's kind of dirty. Flip your hair upside down and grab all of your hair. I kind of try to smooth out my hair as much as possible, but then I will pull on it afterwards to make it a little bit looser, but just so it's not like super bumpy. This is what I do. So from here, I'm just going to put in the ponytail. Loosen it a bit. And then with this excess hair, you could just start wrapping like I'm going to show you. I always love to tease it just to give it a little bit more volume, and today I'm just using my comb because I didn't bring the teasing comb over. So you can tell that this is like obviously much thicker. And so I'm going to take it and I'm just going to twist like this. Get it all twisted, and then I'm going to twist it around my head. And I'm going to take some bobby pins now. And just pin it all in. You just keep pinning until you have all your little pieces down that you want down. If you like it a little messier, you could of course just leave it out. So and then my little stragglers back here, I will also use a bobby pin for. And I'll just pull some of these guys out, and this is your next bun. For this third top knot messy bun, you are going to take your ponytail and divide it into two pieces, and then you're going to twist one around the other. After you've done that, you can pull at these sections just a little bit to make them looser. Mine are already pretty loose, so I'm not gonna do that, but then you're going to wrap your hair around in a circle just like the last time. And you will start pinning. This one is very similar to the last one, except for because you twisted it, it gives it a little bit more dimension or texture to it. You can see like my highlights are kind of coming through differently, and so it just gives it more of a unique look, and it's just as easy to do as the last one was. Again, when I'm finished, I will go ahead and pull some of these out, and I will pin up these straggling hairs in the back. So this is your third messy bun top knot. For this next bun, I'm going to start with my hair down to show you how exactly I do it. So I'm going to flip over again and gather all of my hair. I have a hair tie on my wrist, so I'm going to pull my hair through, but not all of the way. And then I'm going to twist the hair tie around again. And then when my bun looks like this, I'm going to stretch it a little bit. And then I'm going to pin down these crazy sides of the bun. You could really leave it like this, but I like to take a little bit of the back and twist it around the front just to kind of hide the ponytail, and I probably should have pinned this part second. So I'm going to repin it. To my head. You could totally leave it unpinned. Can't remember if I already said that, but here is the next bun that you could wear. This last little fun thing that I'm going to show you is something that you can do on any of these buns. This will just kind of set the base for however you want to finish off the top of your hair. And what I'm going to do is Dutch French braid the underneath part. This is going to be very tricky, or nearly impossible if you don't know how to French braid. I did make a separate video on how to do a Dutch French braid, so you can take a look at that, or I will link it in the iCards. I will end up doing a tutorial on how to French braid your own hair, but I think it's kind of important to get the motions down and know how to French braid hair in general before you can do it on yourself. That is at least what helped me. So if you want to go look at those steps, go ahead and check that out before watching this part. So in order to French braid the underneath part of my hair, I'm going to brush out my hair. And I'm going to have a little hair tie ready to go. I have to lift up a little bit. And I'm going to flip my head over. No telling how this is going to turn out, ever. So if you're going to attempt this, I suggest that you be patient and be willing to do it a couple of times, because it could look absolutely terrible. The trickiest part of this is having this like defined line where your braid stops, and then having to incorporate that into your bun. So I'm just going to take all of my hair now. And like I said, you can put it into any kind of bun that you like. It's not gonna be perfect, again, but you could always bobby pin hair just down a little bit so it lays like kind of nice. Let me finish this and I will show you what I mean. So I did a pretty good job covering it up, but if you still had this defined line right here, you could just put in bobby pins, like pull your hair back right here and just put a bobby pin like right here so it kind of stays on top. So here's how the front looks. It looks just like your regular bun that you did previously, but you have this cute little braid in the back. You could pull it out if you chose to make it look a little bit thicker, but since my hairs are short in the back, it'll just make it all fall out of the braid. If you like this video and you would like to see any other specific hair tutorials, maybe some low bun, messy bun tutorials, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, please subscribe and like if you'd like to see more. Thanks so much for watching.